Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome. Today, in this daily newspaper of Monday, May the 4th, 2020, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, binary, and a tectonic. Total of Sudokus today are 6. We will start first with a Sudoku with 1 star, so let's get started. Alright, 3 numbers left in this row, I see. Let me see, can I do something with this? No, I cannot. I need to wait. How about let me do first this one. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the third column, so in the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. We see here 3. No 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3. No 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be this one. 3 in this row. 3 in a row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 3. Here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 3 in this row, 3 in the row below. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be here. And all the 3s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. The 3. How about these 2 numbers now? In this row, the missing numbers 2 and 7. 2 and 7. We see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Then how about the 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so in the third column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. I see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in the last column, 4 in that column, so the column between, the only place for the 4 is here. And then I cannot continue with the 4. How about the 1 in this row? 1 in the row below, in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. And we have a pair, I see. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1, here and there. Same with the 4, 4 in this row, 4 in the last row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for the 4, so it's a 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Alright, so 1 box left in this big square for the number 8. 8 is missing here. These two boxes, the 6 and the 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 here. 2 should be there, and the 6 goes there. How about these two numbers? The 8 and the 5. We have a 5 here. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 5 in the first column. 5 in the second column. So in the third column. The only place for the 5 should be here. In this column, 2 missing numbers. The numbers are the 5 and the 8, I believe. Yes, 5 and the 8. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 8, here or there. But I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Ooh. Then, let me see. 2 numbers in this column for the numbers 1, 2, the 3, 4, 5, the 6 and the 7. 6 and the 7, we have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number 6 and 2. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then how about these 3 numbers in this row for the numbers 7, 1, and 9? I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only 1 place for the 7 should be there. The 9 and the 1 are missing. 9 and the 1. 9 and the 1. I cannot finish this. Need to wait for more information. How about these 3 numbers in the third row? The missing numbers are the 8, the 7, and the 6. I see here an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. Only 1 place for the 8 should be there. So the 6 and the 7 are missing. 6 and the 7. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 6 goes there. Then these 3 numbers, the 1, the 4, and the 9. 1, 4, and a 9. I see here the 1 and a 4, so no 1 and a 4 there. That means 1 digit left for the 9. Here we have the 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Those 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 1 number left in the second column for the number 2. How about these 2 numbers? 6 and 7. No, I cannot finish this. 6 and 7. These 2 numbers, 7 and the 5. No. These 2 numbers, the 1 and the 9. No. 9 and the 8. These 3 numbers in this third column, the 1 is missing, The 8 is missing and the 9 is missing. I see here the 1 and the 8. So no 1 and the 8 in this box. The 9 is left, so it should be here. Here we have the 1 and the 8. 1 and the 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Now we have 1 missing number in this row for the number 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 8 and 2. We have an 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 4, still cannot finish this. Here also the 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 4 goes and there. Here goes the 4. Then how about these 3 numbers? The 1, the 4, 4. That means here must be a 4, and here must be the 1. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be the 4. 1, 1, that means in the middle column, the 1 is missing and the 5 is missing. We have 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Here we have 2 numbers left, 5 and 7. We have now a 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes and there. 2 numbers left in this big square, 6 and 7. We have now a 7. No 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 6 and the 2. We have a 6 here. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes here. Finish in 11 minutes. Wow. For a Sudoku with 1 star. Alright. I'm pleased. You too? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching again. So, see you in a minute with the Sudoku 2 stars. Bye bye for now.